Actually, replacing battery for the Doogee Shoot 1 is not a complicated task. But anyway, separating this back cover is somewhat tricky, but all you need is just some precision, and you can take it off. Nothing serious, no screws, nothing. Just use some plastic tool that you can separate it, and that's all. So next thing you need to do is to take off these little screws all around here, and to take this cover off. Next thing you need to do is to disconnect this part here, just a click away. That's all. There are two sticks on the back of this battery, so we have to gently take it off, put some power on, but be very careful, it's a battery after all. Take it off, then you place the new one, and make sure this connector goes right in. You can see this little thing have to be here. After it's attached, just stick it, then connect the cable, and you can see that the power goes on as you expect. 1, 2, 3. Voila. Now all we have to do is to assemble this back, and you're done.